When you think about growing your own protein and fat at home, you might picture rows of nut trees and years of waiting. But what if you could harvest nut-level nutrition in just 100 days, right in your backyard, with nothing more than a stock tank? Today, I'll show you 8 crops that deliver the protein and calorie punch of nuts. No orchard, no waiting. Let's get growing. Meet the water caltrop, also known as the devil pod, bat nut, or buffalo nut, a truly fascinating aquatic plant that's been cultivated for thousands of years. Its seeds are encased in a hard, spiky shell that looks uncannily like something you'd find in a knight's armory. With its horned, jet-black pods, the water caltrop has earned a reputation as the dragon of the stock tank, and it's easy to see why. The pods are so striking that they're often compared to miniature bats, water buffalo, or even ancient weapons, making them a conversation starter in any garden or kitchen. But don't let the intimidating exterior fool you. Hidden inside each pod is a starchy, protein-rich seed that has nourished people across Asia and beyond for centuries. These seeds are packed with complex carbohydrates, essential amino acids, and minerals like potassium and magnesium. In fact, water caltrop seeds have been a staple food in China, India, and Southeast Asia, often enjoyed during festivals or as a nutritious snack. Their mild, slightly sweet flavor and satisfying texture make them a versatile ingredient, whether boiled, roasted, or ground into flour. The best part? You don't need a sprawling pond or fancy equipment to grow water caltrop at home. All you need is a simple stock tank, a kiddie pool, or even a large container, some rich soil, and plenty of water. This makes water caltrop an accessible crop for urban gardeners, homesteaders, or anyone curious about growing their own food. Just plant the seeds in the soil at the bottom, fill the container with water, and let nature do the rest. As the days pass, you'll watch the water caltrop's unique leaves float and spread across the surface, creating a lush green canopy. In less than 100 days, these plants will reward you with a harvest of pods that rival nut trees for nutrition and yield. The process is almost magical. One moment you have a bare tank, and the next a floating crop that's both beautiful and bountiful. When harvest time arrives, simply gather the pods, boil or roast them to soften the shells, and pop out the seeds. Enjoy them as a warm, calorie-dense, protein-packed snack, or add them to soups, stir-fries, or salads. Their versatility in the kitchen is matched only by their nutritional value, making them a smart addition to any diet. However, before you start planting, it's important to check your local regulations. Water caltrop is considered invasive in some states and regions, where it can outcompete native plants and disrupt aquatic ecosystems. Always consult your local agricultural extension or environmental agency to make sure it's legal to grow in your area. If it's allowed where you live, you'll have access to a prehistoric protein source right in your backyard. Growing water caltrop is not just about food, it's about connecting with ancient traditions, experimenting with unique crops, and enjoying the satisfaction of harvesting something truly extraordinary. So why not give it a try and bring a little bit of the dragon's magic to your own stock tank? Sunflowers aren't just pretty, they're loaded with protein and healthy fats. Grow varieties like Mammoth Gray Stripe for massive heads packed with seeds in a single season. Plant in a sunny spot, water, and watch them soar. Harvest when the heads droop and the backs turn yellow. Roast the seeds, make sunflower butter, or toss them on salads for a homegrown protein boost. Sunflowers are easy, productive, and store well. Perfect for any garden. When most people think of pumpkins, their minds jump straight to pumpkin pie or maybe a spooky jack-o'-lantern. But there's a secret treasure hiding inside every pumpkin: the seeds. Forget pumpkin pie for a moment and set your sights on the seeds instead. These little gems are packed with nutrition and flavor, and they're one of the easiest, most rewarding snacks you can grow right in your own backyard. Not all pumpkin seeds are created equal. Hull-less varieties, like the popular Kakai pumpkin, are specially bred to produce seeds without tough outer shells. These shell-free seeds, often called pepitas, are tender, protein-rich, and ready to eat after a quick roast. With hull-less pumpkins, you skip the tedious shelling process entirely, making them a favorite among home gardeners and snack lovers alike. There are several varieties to choose from, each offering slightly different flavors and seed sizes, but all are packed with nutrition. Growing your own pumpkin seeds is surprisingly simple. After the last frost has passed, plant your seeds in a sunny spot and let the vines sprawl across your garden or yard. These vigorous plants will quickly take off, covering the ground with broad leaves and bright orange fruit. By the end of the season, you'll be rewarded with dozens of pumpkins, each one packed with edible seeds. It's a fun and productive way to make the most of your garden space, and even a small patch can yield an impressive harvest. Harvesting pumpkin seeds is easy and satisfying. Simply scoop the seeds from your pumpkins, rinse them well to remove any clinging pulp, and spread them out to dry. Once dry, toss them with a little oil and your favorite seasonings, then roast them in the oven until golden and crispy. The result? A delicious, crunchy snack that's loaded with protein, healthy fats, magnesium, zinc, and other essential minerals. Roasted pumpkin seeds are perfect for snacking, topping salads, or adding to homemade granola. And there's no waste. With hull-less varieties, there's no need to shell the seeds, saving you time and effort. The leftover pumpkin flesh can be used in soups, curries, breads, or even desserts. Any scraps you don't use can go straight into the compost bin, enriching your soil for next year's garden. It's a sustainable, zero-waste crop that gives back in more ways than one. Pumpkins are incredibly prolific. Just 2 or 3 plants can produce a wheelbarrow full of pumpkins, each brimming with seeds. Whether you're growing them for food, fun, or both, you'll be amazed at how much you can harvest from just a small patch of ground. Part of the magic is the element of surprise. Pumpkins often hide beneath their sprawling leaves, waiting to be discovered. There's nothing quite like lifting a leaf and finding a perfectly ripened pumpkin nestled in the foliage, packed with nutritious seeds just waiting to be enjoyed. So, if you're looking for a nutty, calorie-dense harvest that doesn't require an orchard or a lot of space, give hull-less pumpkins a try. You'll enjoy a bountiful, nutritious crop and discover why pumpkin seeds truly are the hidden gems of the squash patch. When you think of peanuts, you might picture a crunchy snack or a classic peanut butter sandwich. But did you know that peanuts aren't actually nuts at all? They're legumes, closely related to beans and lentils. Despite this, peanuts are nutritional powerhouses, rivaling true nuts when it comes to protein content and healthy fats. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to boost their protein intake, especially if you're growing your own food at home. Peanuts are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamin E, magnesium, and folate, making them a smart addition to any diet. To grow peanuts, wait until after the last frost has passed. They thrive in loose, sandy soil that allows their underground pods to develop easily. Simply plant the seeds about 2 inches deep, water them well, and keep the soil consistently moist. As the plants grow, you'll notice small yellow flowers that eventually send pegs down into the soil, where the peanuts themselves will form. It's a fascinating process to watch, and with a little patience, you'll see the pods developing beneath the surface. When it's time to harvest, usually after the leaves begin to yellow, gently pull up the entire plant. Shake off the excess soil to reveal clusters of peanuts clinging to the roots. It's a rewarding moment, seeing the fruits of your labor literally unearthed before your eyes. After harvesting, let the peanuts dry in the sun for several days to cure. Once they're dry, shell them by hand and roast them for a delicious, high-calorie snack that's fresher than anything you'll find in stores. Roasted peanuts are not only tasty, but also provide lasting energy, making them perfect for busy days or outdoor adventures. Peanuts typically mature in about 100 to 120 days, depending on your climate. One of their hidden talents is their ability to fix nitrogen in the soil, thanks to special nodules on their roots. This means they actually help improve your garden's soil health, making them a sustainable crop choice for home gardeners. Easy to grow, highly productive, and packed with nutrition, peanuts are a fantastic way to boost your homegrown protein supply. Whether you have a large garden or just a small patch of land, peanuts can thrive with minimal care and reward you with a bountiful harvest. So why not give it a try? Grow your own nut, which is actually a bean, and enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting your own protein-rich snack straight from the soil to your table. Meet the American groundnut, a native perennial that grows protein-rich tubers underground. Plant once, and it comes back every year, climbing like a bean and fixing nitrogen. By fall, dig up strings of tubers with triple the protein of potatoes. Boil, roast, or mash for a filling, nutty-flavored meal. It's resilient, low maintenance, and adapted to North American climates. For sustainable perennial protein, groundnut is a garden game changer. Soybeans are protein powerhouses, 36% by weight, and packed with healthy fat and fiber. Plant after frost, water, and harvest as edamame or dry beans. Steam young pods for a snack, or let them mature for tofu, flour, or roasted beans. Choose varieties for your climate. Envy and Black Jet are great for short seasons. They're self-fertile, fix nitrogen, and thrive in small spaces. For homegrown, complete protein, soybeans are hard to beat. Chickpeas are tough, protein-packed, and thrive in dry, poor soils. Sow seeds in spring, water sparingly, and harvest pods when they dry and brown. Shell and store for long-lasting, versatile protein, perfect for hummus, roasting, or soups. Chickpeas fix nitrogen and improve your soil too. They're compact, productive, and ideal for small gardens or containers. Nutty, nutritious, and resilient, chickpeas are a must-grow. Tiger nuts, actually tiny tubers, are sweet, nutty, and packed with healthy fats and fiber. Plant in spring, harvest marble-sized tubers in late summer, and enjoy raw, roasted, or soaked. They're allergy-friendly, high in resistant starch, and great for gut health. Tiger nuts store for months and can be ground into flour or blended for horchata. The plants look like grass, but the real treasure is underground. For a unique ancient snack, tiger nuts are a delicious surprise. Nut trees take years, but these 8 crops deliver protein, fat, and calories in just one season, making them truly essential. Whether they grow in water, underground, or on towering stalks, they're fast, resilient, and packed with nutrition. Plant any of these and you'll see why they've fed people for generations. No orchard required.